Alright guys, I apologize for the lighting in advance. I know it's like hella shadows here, but as you guys saw in the previous clips and in the last video, we went over to Subi Speed and we picked up a new carbon fiber Seibon vented hood for the STI, as well as, come check it out, some carbon fiber OEM style front fenders. Pretty much almost a full carbon fiber front end for this car. Super excited because we are actually getting this car ready for WeekFest LA. Sunday, October 15th, we are bringing both the STI as well as the 2022 BRZ. Massive car show that's going to be in LA this year. So we're pretty much getting the STI ready for that show. Aside from the carbon fiber right here, we have one more surprise that we might pick up in this video today. So I'm super excited for that as well. Ton of stuff coming for the STI. First things first, let's go ahead and work on the carbon fiber stuff for this car. Fingers crossed the fitment is good. As you guys may know, some carbon fiber stuff just does not fit as good as OEM. That's kind of given, you know, nothing's really better than OEM, you know, fitment wise, but we're not gonna see until we try it. So let's go and take all this stuff off and let's see what the carbon fiber fenders look like first. One thing before we get too far in the video, I want to give a massive shout out and big thank you to Subi Speed for sending these parts to me. Subi Speed has been a massive sponsor to the channel, and they've been supporting both the STI and the BRZ. If you guys need anything from Subi Speed or FC Speed, if you guys have like a BRZ, an FRS 86, use code BRGS STI to save you guys 10% off majority of the stuff that they have on their website. They've been really appreciating all the support you guys have been giving him, so massive shout out to them and you guys as well for supporting them. Super straightforward, taking off the stock front bumper. We actually just did this a couple days ago when we installed the new Subi Speed headlights. Honestly, on the bottom it's just a whole bunch of these plastic clips, handful of 10 mils on the top, and you're good after that. Alright, so I've never removed the front fenders on this car, but it should be pretty straightforward. Probably just a whole bunch of 10 mils and clips. But yeah, let's just go ahead and start taking bolts off. Just like that, dude, after a big mess just of bolts everywhere, we got the front fenders off. Literally just a whole bunch of 10 mils. I guess a little side-by-side comparison. We got the stock one. Yeah, it's just a whole bunch of bolts, but it looks so funny. Literally just bare right here. Like, just looking at this right here, this looks so bad. First impressions, I have not finished with you know, putting all the bolts on, but dude, check it out. So freaking sick. So as far as fitment, it's been going pretty good. Since it is carbon fiber slash fiberglass, you can kind of like bend it and just to make it line up. You know, it's not gonna like line up like perfectly like right when you throw it on. You kind of have to like push certain areas so the hole can like line up for all the bolts. Here's a little close-up on the headlight. This is like the only, I guess you could say, maybe flaw. There's like a gap right here, but maybe that'll go away once we throw on everything, all the bolts, the bumper and stuff. We're actually gonna take a quick break because we are running out of sunlight and we actually have to go pick something up right now. As you can see, the STI has the carbon fenders on. It looks so freaking sick. But yeah, we have to leave the house right now because I actually have to pick something up for this car for WeekFest. So we're gonna talk more about the carbon fenders and install the hood later on in today's video. But right now, like I said, I gotta leave the house and I gotta go pick this specific, I guess you could say, things up because it's plural, but yeah. Yeah, we're gonna say goodbye to the STI for now, but dude, you guys are gonna love this. We are in the Subi. We just pulled up to Rudy's or RTA for the alignment. Just pulled the STI on the alignment rack. Right now I just pulled up to RTA, my guy Rudy's shop. So it's actually the next day. We got some new wheels and I actually just put them on the STI right now. So they're on the car right now. We need an alignment, but we're pretty much doing some last minute WeekFest prep as well over at RTA. super clutch. He's actually letting me use the shop for a little bit just so we can do like some fine tuning to like the fitment. I think we got to lower the car a little bit in the rears because it's kind of sitting really high. So shout out to Rudy for letting me use his shop for a little bit. But dude, the STI looks so freaking good with the new wheels that we got yesterday. Triple chrome TE37s. These are the new wheels that I've kind of been hiding. Yes, I know they're the same exact wheels as what I had before, but guys, they're triple chrome. We had to do it big for Weekfest this Sunday. The cool thing about these wheels is these are actually better specs. So these are 18 by 10 plus 35, I believe. So much less aggressive than the previous TEs that I ran. Definitely much needed because I really wanted to run a big tire. As you can see, these are 265s. So they fit perfect with these specs. I wasn't able to do a big tire with my previous TEs because they're just way too aggressive, but dude, with the 265s, they fit perfect. We actually have to do a little bit of work in the rears. As you can see, it's pretty monster truck. It's sitting really high, so we're gonna definitely lower this right now. What do you guys think? The car looks so freaking good, especially with the carbon front fenders. I actually brought the hood with me, so as you can see, we have the hood in the back. So we're gonna throw the carbon hood probably after we get in alignment, after we get the car squared away. It's gonna look so sick. Triple chrome TEs with the carbon front fenders and the carbon fiber hood. So I'm super excited. Let's go and lower the rears and let's get this fitment squared away. Tell with like lowering the car is, I feel like I've shown this a lot in the videos. This is a digital caliper, so I usually like come to like right here and I kind of figure out how, like a point I want to lower the car to. So I kind of want to do it to like right here, something like that, kind of at the top of the tire. So I kind of adjust it to where the bottom sits, kind of where I want the fender to be. Boom. About 20 millimeters. So I'm gonna go ahead and lower the coilover about 20 millimeters and should be around the point where I kind of want it to sit. Quick little dinner break. Ordered some L&L to the shop. Dude, I was craving spam musubi for so long. Got this little guy bugging me for some. Dude, what's wrong with your ear? Ear's all messed up. Alright guys, I lowered the rears not as much as what I was previously talking about. I think I lowered it about 11 millimeters. Here's what it looks like, guys. Much better. The triple chrome is hitting. Right now I'm actually going to work on the fronts. I'm actually going to shave down the carbon fender. So there's a little mini lip on the fender and I'm kind of rubbing a little bit on the tire. So I'm going to shave that down with my little Dremel. I might poke the wheel out just a little bit more to kind of match with the rears. So probably a tiny bit of positive camber. Guys, I seriously cannot wait to show you guys this car at Weekfest. Oh my gosh, I've been literally thinking about it for so long now. The car just looks completely different with the triple chrome and all the carbon. So as you can see, there's like a lip all around through the front. So I'm definitely rubbing, as you can see, the tires. So got my Dremel, gonna shave it down. Fronts came out fire. So after I shaved down the fenders, check it out, it's literally like I can't even put my finger in there. These are pretty much the numbers, about like -3-ish for the fronts, and then for the rears, -3.5 -3.9. Crazy to think that back when we were running the Meisters and we're on bags, I think we were running like -9 around there, something crazy, -10 in the rear. So definitely much different than my old setup. You could definitely feel the difference too. With like a big tire like this on coilovers, dude, it drives so much nicer. It's crazy. Like when I was slotted on the front with the bags, like just cambered out, it just drove like way different. You could definitely feel the difference. But dude, this is fire, guys. Got my official alignment sheet. Rudy's gonna take it off the rack. Check it out, dude. Dude, I still can't get over the triple chrome. Like seriously. Damn. Front. Look at that. It is time to put on the carbon fiber hood. We gotta transfer over the stock latch, bolt it onto the sides, and that's pretty much it, guys. It's locked tight. This car looks so good, bro. Like we just completely changed up the whole look, bro. I am so in love. Literally, we put this on literally like 15 minutes ago. All we've been doing is just like staring at the car. But yeah, just like a little close up. I saw these things. These are pretty sick. They're like vents on the back of the hood. Got the vents on the side, on each side, and then also I noticed that this, me and Rudy were talking about it. It's like much more aggressive than the stock hood. See, the stock scoop is not that tall, but dude, look at the carbon one. That thing is super aggressive. So yeah, here it is, guys. Almost full carbon fiber front end. Alright guys, that's pretty much gonna do it for today's video on pretty much covering the whole entire carbon front end with the new triple chrome TEs. Now it's kind of been a while since the previous clips. It's actually past Week Fest, so I'm actually super behind on editing and posting up these videos for you guys. I think this is like fast forward like a week or so. But yeah, I just want to show you guys the car before we end off today's video. I appreciate all you guys who came through to Week Fest to check out the cars, as well as visit the Borges Supply booth to cop the new merch. I appreciate it so much. Honestly, I love, you know, like the shows, meeting all you guys in person, having convos, and of course running, you know, like the booth and like having merch for you guys. So once again, appreciate all you guys who came through to Week Fest, where we debuted the STI with all the new parts that you guys saw in today's video. I don't think I really showed the fitment, but I think the driver's side, I had to do a little bit of tweaking. I had to kind of you know, adjust the headlights a little bit, kind of push in some parts of the fender, and also the little hood, like the rubber stops for the hood. I think I lowered it on this side, and the fitment was honestly not good once we threw it on, but once we adjusted and did all those like minor tweaks, the fitment actually came out pretty good, guys. Like the gaps are pretty even. Only, I guess you could say, flaw I think I showed earlier in the video was the headlight area and from the bumper to fender. So those are kind of like the only flaws, but like I said, that's kind of given with carbon fiber stuff. This stuff does not feel like OEM, and honestly never really will. So that's just kind of one of those things you got to sacrifice for carbon fiber. Same thing with the other side, kind of like this bumper connection. And yeah, the fitment is pretty good for carbon fiber. So once again, massive shout out to Subaru for the parts, and I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, you know, with all the new additions we had on the STI. I'm actually so behind on editing. This whole entire week after Week Fest, I've just been so busy driving up to LA and getting the FRS ready. Yeah, right now as we speak, the car is almost done with body work. You guys are gonna see in the next upcoming videos that we're gonna be installing the wide body kit and everything. Like I said, I'm so behind on uploads, I'm so behind on editing, so I'm trying to catch up for you guys. Yeah, literally in about a few hours, I'm gonna go back up to LA to the FRS, and we're gonna finish up on the body work. So I literally came home last night from LA, so it's just been non-stop driving and stuff. But for all you guys that were not able to attend the show where I dropped these shirts, the Border Supply ones with the BRZ and the STI on them, these will be live on the site soon. They're not live on the site yet, but yeah, these are pretty much all leftovers from the show. So if you guys were interested in purchasing these, stay tuned for that. These are gonna be dropping on the site very soon. Still got some of these left in stock from the exhaust giveaway. Got the embroidered tees. These are actually live on the website right now. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and try to catch up on all of this editing. Literally just finished up editing this video for you guys. I appreciate it so much for you guys watching today's video. Like I said, a lot to come. We got a lot of FRS stuff with the wide body kit, the Street Hunter kit. So yeah, I'm gonna try to knock out these uploads. Might even do back-to-back uploads again. But yeah, with that being said, hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I love you guys so much. I appreciate all you guys for tuning in and watching today's video. And with that being said, I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.